Many businesses have become profitable as a result of their ability to operate online. There can be no ups without downs or pros without cons, and e-commerce is no exception. Welcome to E-commerce Know-How, and today we're going to discuss the disadvantages and problems with e-commerce. Number 7. Lack of privacy. The lack of privacy is a significant disadvantage of e-commerce. Before making a purchase, a customer must provide personal information such as his address, name, and phone number, among other things. Some websites lack advanced encryption technology that can protect your personal information from hackers, which is a major source of concern. If this sensitive information is leaked, it can cause a slew of issues for consumers. Some sites illegally collect sensitive information, which is why people are afraid to use e-commerce portals because they must provide personal information that could be misused. Number 6. Tax issues. E-commerce portals are available in most parts of the world because they are not limited to a specific geographical location. When a customer makes a purchase, he must pay sales tax on it, which makes calculating the actual sales tax levied in that location difficult. As a result, consumers face difficulties when calculating taxes, which is an additional disadvantage of e-commerce. Number 5. Security. Because of cybercriminals and hackers, online portals have received a lot of attention. It is a serious problem because your account could be hacked as a result of carelessness and your funds wiped out. This is the harsh reality of e-commerce sites, and no website can guarantee that financial information will not be compromised on its portal. To prevent data breaches, the website owner must take important steps to change the password. It is critical to remain vigilant and proactive in order to protect the website and ultimately customer information. Since its inception, security has been a source of concern, and it is regarded as a major disadvantage of e-commerce. Number 4. Site crash. E-commerce is completely reliant on an internet connection. A significant disadvantage of e-commerce is the inability to purchase due to site crash. A small word, site crash, can bring down an entire business in a matter of seconds. This can occur if you do not have a high bandwidth connection, as you will encounter serious problems loading pages and placing orders. If the website you're looking at goes down, you won't be able to make a purchase. Ascertain that your website is hosted on a secure platform with safeguards in place for such an occurrence. Number 3. No possibility of tried and tested product. One of the major drawbacks of an e-commerce portal is that a customer cannot try and test a product for his own satisfaction. We are accustomed to buying in physical stores after trying a product several times, and it takes a lot of guts to abruptly change this lifetime habit where you cannot touch, try, or test a product beforehand. People miss the tactile sensation, and there is always the risk that the product will fall short of expectations. This makes the consumer hesitant to make a purchase. Number 2. Late delivery. One of the most common drawbacks of e-commerce platforms is late delivery. When a customer orders a product, he is assured that it will arrive within 7 days or within a specific time frame. In most cases, this does not occur, and you are left waiting. Finally, when you are informed that the product will be delivered on this day, the portal is not specific about the timings. Several times, a person who was supposed to pick up the parcel had to wait for hours for the delivery. His entire day has been squandered, and he was unable to go outside as planned. A situation like this irritates the customer because he feels harassed unnecessarily. Number 1. Some products are difficult to buy online. If you believe that you can buy anything online, you are mistaken. There are some products such as ice cream, spectacles, and metals such as gold and silver that you do not want to buy online even if you have the option. You cannot trust yourself to make a purchase without physically touching, trying, and testing them, which can be detrimental to an e-commerce site. All the images and assurances in the world will not be able to persuade you to purchase certain items, such as a gold and diamond bracelet. Do you believe the online store will meet your expectations, or will you make the effort to visit the physical store to verify and then make a purchase? And with that being said, it's time to end our video. What are your views about the disadvantages of e-commerce? Let us know in the comments, like this video, and make sure to subscribe to our channel for more amazing videos like this. We'll see you in the next video.